Welcome to Home of Math. How many integers between 1 and 100 are divisible by 3, 5 or 7? This is very interesting and important math for Math Olympiad or any competitive examination. Let's start. We are trying to solve this math step by step. To determine how many integers between 1 and 100 are divisible by 3, 5 and 7, we use the principle of inclusion-exclusion. So we can write like this: to determine how many numbers, or especially we can say integer, right? Integer between 1 and 100 are divisible by 3, 5, 7. We use the principle of inclusion-exclusion. So first, step 1. Where we count integers divisible by each number. How? Look, first, divisible by 3. So this one is 100 divided 3, it's a 33. What kinds of number this one? Suppose 100 we can divide by 3, right? Similar, we can divide by 96. So this 96 we can divide by 3, right? Similar, we can divide 100 by 15, and this 15 also we can divide by 3. So 1 to 100, 33 number we can divide by 100. Like if the question is how many number divide 1 to 10, 1 to 10. So 10 divide 3, it means 3. We need, it's a integer, not fraction. So which number is 10? We can divide by 9, we can divide by 6, and we can divide by 3. So here is 3 number. Similar, 100 divided by 3, we get 33 because this is an integer, and 33 like 3, like 6, like 9. So this 6 and this 9 we can divide it by 3. Okay. Next, divisible by 5, right? So 100 divide 5, the answer is 20. What kinds of 20? Like 5, like 20, like 25, right? Like we can say also 15. This is also we can divide it by 5. And number 3, divisible by 7. So 100 divide 7, the answer is what? 14. And step 2, Step 2. Count integer count integers divisible by combination of two numbers. Combination of two numbers. So this one is first divisible by both 3 and 5. So in this case we have to make LCM. LCM is what? 15. So we have to find out the number 100 divide 15, and this is a 6. Okay. Number 2, divisible by both 3 and 7. LCM is 21. So 100 divide 21, it will be what? 4. And another one is number 3, divisible by both what? 5 and 7. LCM 35. So 100 divide 35, the answer is 2. Okay, not 3, because 3 times 35 is 105. So here we get some answer like 33, 20, 14, 6, 4, 2, and we have one thing remaining, which is step 3, where we will count a divisible by combination of 3 numbers. So we can write divisible by 3, 5 and 7. LCM equals to what? 3, 5, 7 LCM is 105. Since 105 is greater than 100, there are 0 such integer. Now look, first we said we will follow the method is inclusion and exclusion. Look, once we divided by 3 we get 33, but once we divided 3 and 5 we get 6. So this 33 and 6 has some overlapping number. Therefore we are following this method inclusion and exclusion. So now we will apply step 4. Apply inclusion, exclusion. So using formula we know like this, using formula, which is cardinality of set A union B union C. So this one means union A, sorry, cardinalities of set A B plus C, then we will minus A union B, then A intersection B, A intersection C, then B intersection C, and we will add all the intersection A intersection B intersection C. It's looking little complex, but by this way we will find the overlapping number. So first is A. What does mean A? A is 33. Look, once we divisible by 3, we get 33. Once we divisible by 5, we get 20. Once 7, we get what? 14. So we can write here 33 plus 20 plus 14 minus A intersection B. It means 3 times 5, 3 and 5, we get 6, then 3 get 7, we get 4, and 5 and 7 we get 2, and 3, 5 and 7 we didn't get anything. So we can write here like minus 6, minus 4, minus 2 and plus 0. Okay, so here is 33, 20 and 14. So we can write here 33, it means, so here is minus 6, minus 4 and minus 2. So 10 and 2, 12. So from here once we out, we will get here is plus 2. So 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 0 is a 5, and 3 plus 2 it will be 5. So our answer is 55. So finally we can say there are 55 integer between 1 to 100 that are divisible by 3, 5 or 7. So hope you understand this one. If you have any question, just write a line in the comments box, and if you think this video is very helping for you, you can share with others like me. You can comments me any positive sentence, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.